So after a successful deployment, you're going to note where any of the spikes have been pulled from your base, and you're going to replace the spikes. To replace a spike, you're going to use your spike replacement tool that is located at the front of the case. You'll take your replacement spike, point down in the little hole at the top of the spike tool. You'll take your grommet, slide it over the top of the spike all the way to the base of the tool. You'll remove your spike, find an empty section on the spike base. Make sure that that is completely seated. You will then take your tool over the top of the spike, push down until the spike is completely seated. You will then cap it with a tip guard. You will do that for all of your missing spikes.